When most people think about Haas automation, they picture a big factory full of machine tools or someone working in a machine shop. But that's just one facet of the careers available at Haas Automation. The truth is, it takes a team of professionals, network engineers, sales and product specialists, accounting and purchasing experts, programmers, marketing personnel, IT hardware experts, and many other professionals to help get the job done. And the thing that makes us different from other companies is that there's tons of crossover between these jobs. So instead of being boxed in, where the boss keeps you in your swim lane, at this job, you're not only free to try lots of different things, you're encouraged. Take a social media coordinator role, for example. Jane might be studying the latest analytics data in the morning, designing a new email campaign with the graphics team before lunch, and then helping to shoot a marketing video on set at the end of the day. And best of all, you'll be working in a fast-paced, high-tech industry, using the very same cutting-edge applications as the largest Fortune 500 companies. Tools like Adobe Experience Manager, which helps us define how our online presence can get the right marketing campaign to the right audience. Or the Adobe Creative Suite that helps our editors build great video content to reach our customers via YouTube or Instagram. So, if you're the type of person who isn't afraid of hard work and is ready to tackle a challenge head-on, then consider Haas Automation as the landing spot for your next career. Visit haasjobs.com to apply.